Hello everyone, I'm from Taiwan National Changhua University of Education Graduated Institute of Human Resource Management. I'm Hsiao Ting. My paper topic is Decisional Procrastination and Work Performance, Moderation Effect of Perfectionism. The presentation content includes 5 parts. Part 1, Introduction. First is research background. When people make decisions, they may not be able to make decisions due to uncertainties, such as lack of information, fear, and risk-taking, causing decisional procrastination, which may be due to fear of failure, low self-esteem, anxiety, and perfectionism. The traditional view of procrastination includes avoidance procrastination and decisional procrastination. Avoidance procrastination, this refers to the individual's fear of achievement and fear of failure, which delays the completion of the task. Decisional procrastination, the term refers to an individual hesitation to make an immediate decision. Perfectionism. Perfectionism is one of the personality traits. People with perfectionist tendency often try to achieve perfection because of their own or other people's demands, and they hold their own performance to a very high standard, believing that if they don't achieve perfection, they are not finished. Some people say procrastination is positive and others say negative. For example, in a study by Mann and Tseng 2006, procrastinators were classified into 2 types: active procrastinator and negative procrastinator. Active procrastinators are adaptive procrastinators who like to work under pressure and are able to make well thought out decisions when in a time crunch. Negative procrastinators are non-adaptive procrastinators who don't have the ability to make quick decisions and implement them quickly. When deadlines are approaching, anxiety begins to set in, and tasks are usually not completed on time. Past studies on procrastination have mostly focused on university students, using the relationship between active, passive procrastination and academic as a variable. The relationship between decision procrastination and work performance has rarely been explored. Therefore, this paper focused on the relationship between decisional procrastination and work performance. Research purpose 1. Explore the correlation between decisional procrastination, work performance, and perfectionism. Whether decisional procrastination has a significant negative correlation with work performance. 2. To examine whether the relationship between decisional procrastination and work performance is active by the moderating effect of high or low perfectionism. Part 2. Literature Review. Decisional procrastination and work performance. Payton et al. 2019 found that students' procrastination has a negative predictive effect on academic achievement, with higher level of procrastination associated with poorer learning outcomes. The survey found that 25% said procrastination was a serious problem in their lives. 40% said procrastination has caused financial losses. Wang and Zhang 2007. From the perspective of performance, assumes that procrastination affects behavioral operation, and when time pressure is delayed, it will reduce speed and occurrences. However, procrastination may also bring positive consequences, so the effect of procrastination on work performance is uncertain. Hypothesis 1. The decisional procrastination is negativity relation to work performance. Moderating effect of perfectionism. Some procrastinators don't lack ability or don't work hard enough, but rather than set high completion standards for their task. They are unable to cope with the sense of loss that occurs when they fail to meet the high standards. They learn to procrastinate as a means of avoiding their task in order to avoid the intense negative emotion that come with failure. Non-adaptive perfectionism was found to positively predict students' academic delays. Self-directed perfectionism is significantly associated with socially desirable perfectionism and academic procrastination. Hypothesis 2. Perfectionism moderates the relationship between the decisional procrastination and work performance, such that the relationship is weakened when perfectionism is higher rather than low. Part 3. Method. Research structure and hypothesis. Hypothesis 1. The decisional procrastination is negatively related to work performance. Hypothesis 2. Perfectionism moderates the relationship between the decisional procrastination and work performance, such that the relationship is weaker when perfectionism is higher rather than low. Measure and participate. Measures. Our study used questionnaire survey to measure. The decisional procrastination used the 5-item decisional procrastination scale by Mann, 1982. The work performance using the 6-item work performance scale by Tseng, 1985. The perfectionism used the 23-item perfectionism scale by Rice and Sani, 2002. Participate. The research sample is based on people who have work or part-time work experience. Part 4. Result. Hypothesis 1. The decisional procrastination is negatively related to work performance. Results established. When faced with the challenge of spending most of one's time and energy on work due to the demands of the job, while work efficiency will not only provide job satisfaction but also reduce the possible negative effect and consequence of procrastination. Hypothesis 2. Perfectionism moderates the relationship between the decisional procrastination and work performance, such that the relationship is weaker when perfectionism is high rather than low. Results not established. The scale was developed from a psychological counseling perspective to distinguish between perfectionist and non-perfectionist. Maybe have other influence, don't measure together, or skill selection cause the hypothesis not established. Part 5. Conclusion. Limitation and future research suggestion. Method. Future study could be conducted by experimental design research. Scale. Job performance is measured by a self-assessment scale. Future research will be more objective if other evaluations are used. Participate. Choose samples who are already working in a workplace and in a supervisory position or have decision-making in the organization. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.